hip hinge with a block between your knees, and we're going to use the wall for feedback here. So you are going to stand maybe about foot lengths away from the wall, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little less, depending. Kind of find a comfortable spot. Place a yoga block or something between your knees. That's going to help you feel those glutes and the bottom of the pelvis open up and lengthen as we go back. So you are going to keep a slight bend in your knees the whole time, gently kind of keep some pressure on the block there so it doesn't fall out. Then you're going to send your hips straight back towards the wall. Think of like you're trying to shut a car door behind you with your butt. Feeling those glutes lengthen. You should feel your hamstrings tension, some tension in your hamstrings as well as the glutes as they are lengthening. Try to keep a neutral spine, so not arched and not too tucked and rounded. When you're here, then you can exhale and stand up. So inhale back, exhale, come up. You can also, another trick I like is to place your thumb and index finger kind of on your butt here. And when you go back and hinge, those two fingers should be spreading apart. That's how we know we're kind of getting some length to those glutes. And then when you stand back up, your fingers should kind of gently, slightly move closer together. So inhale, down, feel those glutes lengthen. Exhale, come up, and you can feel on both sides, making sure that's happening here. So kind of place it right in the middle of your butt, kind of closer to the sacrum. And that's when you should feel those lengthen as you come back. Those fingers move apart. And then exhale, come up. Those glutes and hamstrings will be contracting then. So with this, you can also add, if you feel like you're losing connection with your core, or maybe your belly is pooching out, you can also grab a ball or something to squeeze, and you can inhale down, and on your exhale, squeeze into something, help engage the lower abs as you come up. That's another option to help make sure we're keeping that core engaged throughout this exercise.